Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to use Snapchat Web. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you just need to head over to snapchat.com, and from in here you should be able to see the Snapchat is on web. So just head over and click on this login to chat, and then from in there you should be able to see this right here, which is your dashboard once you have successfully logged in. So as you can see, I have been redirected already on my inbox right here. And I just need to enable my camera in order to send snaps. And from in there, I can see that I can actually create the Bitmoji and all of these things right here. When I try to scroll down, I can see all the snaps that people have on my actual channel. So for example, in here, you can see that I have this. So if, for example, I want to add a friend, I just need to click on this view friend request and then search for someone that I want to add. So for example, I want to add someone named John. I just need to head over and add them right there. And then from in there, I can head over and click on this right here in order to create a new chat with another people. So for example, it's just the person. Click on chat right here. And we can open your chat and we can say hi to that person. As you can see, this is actually sending the hi message. And this is actually seeing us that we are using Snapchat Web. So when we click on this right here, there's actually a profile icon wherein we can see our settings and all of the things that we can modify. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.